ask what you're using that for? It's me. Right there by my side, you know the stuff you see.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring Loring Park. It is the heart of downtown Minneapolis. It is one of the most beautiful and historic green space park. It is not just a park, it's a vibrant community hub with walking paths, open lawns, and scenic views of the skylines. At the center of the park, there is a lake.
Oops, I'm sorry. Hamilton. Kind of miss Sarah.
But there's something you should know. You're the only girl I know puts the stars to sleep. Oh, but pretty girl, you know I loved you long before you take a good in my dreams. Oh, seeing yes, you right there by my side. You know the stuff you're seeing.
The park also features public arts and monuments, which reflects Minneapolis' rich culture and history.
Are you kidding me?
And just steps away, you'll find landmarks like the beautiful Basilica of Saint Mary. Okay, just minutes from downtown Minneapolis, There is a park that locals love but many visitors overlook, and this is the Parade Park. One of the highlights here is it is a destination of skating, hockey games, and local events.
We are playing the song already. Now dancers, get ready.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel videos. Thank you.